You've got vegetables? You're playing with your vegetables? Think you have all the fruit? Yeah? What? Mommy needs to go get some bows. We need to get bows. Poor kid. Sydney? Thank you. I love you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What'd you do with your Cheerios? Never a dull moment. Honey, what happened? What happened to your Cheerios? Okay, let's pick up the Cheerios. Let's pick them up. Good thing I just cleaned the floor. Honey, put the cup on the floor. That would help better. Okay. Good job. She insisted on having her little Cheerios in her teacup. So cute. Oh, I need to put some chapstick on. I just posted the cutest picture on Instagram of Sydney and I. We are matching today. Are we matching shirts? Are they the same striped? She's like, I give no cares in the world. I have my snack. So, today's Saturday. Tomorrow's Super Bowl Sunday. I think we are gonna run into Public and grab some last minute birthday things. I say last minute because I don't really have a whole lot of time to do it otherwise, but I'm gonna probably grab some birthday things as well as, that's about it. That's actually all I wanted to go. You wanna go in the car? Okay. So we're probably gonna head out and run some errands and grab some birthday supply things for the DIY project that I'm going to be doing. Hopefully doing that tonight. We will see. But we basically woke up, had some breakfast. I had avocado toast. Sydney had a smorgasbord of things. And now she's having some Cheerios because of course she's starving. So I got these from Target. They are paper mache, like cardboard letters for Sydney, and they were $2.50 each. I ordered them at Target.com, and I'm so excited because I'm going to decorate these in the Moana theme. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've seen them on Etsy, so I have some like brainstormed ideas. Well, I say I have no idea, and then I have ideas. You know what I mean? Like, I have no idea what I'm doing, if that makes sense. But thought those were so cute for her birthday, so I will show you my progress and what I'm gonna do. And then I also got Sydney's little birthday outfit in. This is so cute. I ordered it from Etsy, and I will show you the shop name in just a second. Sydney's holding the tutu that it came with. So I got it with the number 2, the baby Moana. You can also get it with the normal, like, older Moana. And then I chose to have her name printed on it, and it's just sparkly and glittery and, you know, super cute. It's one of the Cat and Jack t-shirts that she used, so you know, nice quality. At least that way you know what type of sizing to get. I did get 2T for her, and it's a little bit big, but she can wear this like all summer long. Yeah, you want it? Alright, so this is her tutu, and I need to take the card off, but this is the shop name there. I will leave everything linked down below as well. The little bow has Moana ribbon, and it's mostly the pink and the teal, which I love, or aqua, whatever. And then also this one, I think you can choose between like a bow and a headband and all kinds of different ones. I chose to do the headband, and honestly, because Sydney is pretty much bald, I don't think I'm going to be using this. So I don't know, but it's really cute either way. It all matches perfectly. Pretty cute, but that is what her little outfit is gonna look like. And I will just probably find a matching colored bow from like Baby Bling, or just do a white bow from Baby Bling for her hair, for her head. That way she doesn't look so bald. You know what I mean? She'll probably just rip it off anyway, but that will just be her little birthday outfit, and she's only little once. That's why I decided to go with an outfit, even though she's turning 2. I didn't really care. I wanted her to have a special Moana birthday since she's so obsessed with it. So is this what happens? You're about to turn 2 and you all of a sudden just become a little lady? Let me see. Let me get a good look at you. Without that blanket. Can Mama see your blanket for a second? Thank you. Let me see. Can you do a spin? Oh, you're so beautiful. What do you say? I love you. So I've been getting a lot of questions about my bag lately because I sort of just got it. Ryla did send this to me, so so I'm very appreciative of that. But this is the bag that I've been using for my like diapering, whatever, you know what I mean. We've got a toddler on hand now, so I just throw snacks in there, usually change of clothes, but Sydney is wearing a pull-up, so I've got my wallet, wipes, a pull-up, and then a bunch of snacks. And I love this bag. It's so cute, very, very well made. So it's a little bit more expensive, but it definitely, like, you can totally tell the quality it's definitely on point. So that's the bag that you guys have been asking me about. It comes in a few different colors, and this is the gray one. Okay, so I have a couple of bags to donate to Goodwill, so that is where I am right now. And I got Sydney a cookie from Starbucks. I got a coffee. Extra large one. So good. These bags have been sitting in my house for like a year. And they're clothing. My clothing! I need to fix my hair so bad. What do you say instead of I want it? How do you use your manners? Please, good girl. You say, may I have it, please? Okay, good girl. Mama will give it to you when we're done with the car, okay? She wants the cookie so bad. So cute. Okay, and now we're going to Michael's to look for some things for Sydney's birthday. You see the Easter bunny?
Kiss. Kiss.
So cute. And we can't touch the Easter bunny. We have to leave him alone.
Cookie.
Cookie. What do you say?
Peace.
Okay, I'm in the little paper section. Buying things for the letters. And how perfect are these for Moana? So perfect. What do you have? What is that? Cookie. Making a mess. Oh, yum.
Cookie.
Okay, so we finished up at Michael's. Now we're gonna go into Target. I don't even know if we're gonna get anything there, but we're just gonna browse to see what they have for birthday things. But I'm so excited, you guys, about those letters, because each letter was $2.50 at Target.com, and all of the paper things were like, you know, 79 cents to like $1.29 each. But then of course you have all the coupons. So I ended up paying for all of the letters for her name and the papers, and I have everything else at home, pretty much the price of one letter on Etsy. So I'm gonna do them myself, and if they don't turn out as cute as Etsy, at least I only paid like 30 bucks versus like 100 bucks for all of her letters. But you know, just saying, I'm so excited. So we're gonna go into Target, and Sydney's being a very good girl. Hopefully she will nap on the ride home, but she's being so good right now. Aren't you, honey? You being a good girl?
Go Target.
Yeah, going to Target. She already knows we're here. So we're home now. Sydney's having leftovers, exactly what we had last night, which was like a skillet chicken with like a pesto cream sauce with pasta and broccoli. All right, dinner tonight is going to be a new chicken that I'm trying out. So I've got some vegetable oil and chicken going in a skillet. I'm gonna try out the new, well, I don't know how new it is, but creamy pesto skillet chicken. Sounds super good and it's really easy. You just, you know, toss the sauce and cook the chicken in it. And then I'm boiling some water for some pasta. And then we'll probably have like broccoli or something to go with it as well. Sounds like it's gonna be really good. This looks absolutely phenomenal. I just took it off the heat while I shut the heat off. I've got some pasta, some whole wheat and green pasta, and broccoli. Are you hungry? Okay. And I am going to make myself a little like buffalo chicken salad or something for dinner, something like that. This is what I have romaine. I'm gonna do avocado, tortilla strips. I'm gonna use a light blue cheese dressing with cheese. And then I have rotisserie chicken that we had the other night that I am going to toss in some buffalo and just make a little, you know, buffalo chicken salad for dinner. That sounds delicious. Okay, and I also threw on blue cheese crumbles because I had some in my fridge that I forgot about. I'm thinking this is gonna be delicious.
There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth.